Hi, welcome to the Erbology channel. Today's guide is for black seed oil. Black seed oil is made from these little black seeds. You might know them as black cumin seeds, but they also go by other names such as Nigella sativa, kalonji, and black caraway. Although they sound like the cumin seeds we often use in cooking, they're actually unrelated. Black cumin seeds are packed full of health properties. Black seed oil has been used as a traditional remedy in many different cultures, dating right back to Hippocrates. It contains a special compound called thymoquinone, which is thought to be responsible for many of its health properties. Black seed oil is traditionally thought to support your immune system and help protect your liver function. It also has powerful antimicrobial properties. Scientists think this is due to a combination of thymoquinone and two other compounds called thymohydroquinone and thymol. In lab tests, these have been shown to stop microbes, viruses, and molds from growing. Black seed oil is also great for your skin. It can be good at unblocking pores and treating conditions like acne. You can also use it on your hair. The legend goes that Cleopatra liked to use black seed oil to keep her hair looking sleek and shiny. We source our black seed oil from small organic farms in Egypt. It's cold pressed straight from the seeds. It's important to extract the oil this way to make sure its precious nutrients stay intact. If you use heat during processing, they can be degraded. That's also a reason not to heat the oil when you use it. You can't use it for pan frying, for example, but you can use it to finish dishes or in salad dressings. It has quite a strong, aromatic and peppery flavor. There are also some traditional ways of taking black seed oil you might like to try. It's common to mix it with a bit of honey and warm water and drink it before breakfast. You can also take black seed oil neat. It's strong, so I recommend taking a maximum of 3 teaspoons a day. If you'd like to use it on your hair and skin, I recommend diluting it in a carrier oil. This is because if you apply it direct, it might cause irritation to your skin or scalp. Hemp seed oil or almond oil is great for this, as it doesn't block your pores and has benefits for your skin itself too. That's the Erbology guide to black seed oil. As always, you can find links to the studies I've cited in the description box below, or head to erbology.co to find out more.